Come enjoy the opportunity to live in a single-level home out of town, but close to freeway access. This newly constructed Rambler sits on just over an acre of land between the towns of Elma and Montesano, Washington, with front and back covered porches, oversized 3-car garage, a split floor plan with a great room, a very spacious laundry/mud room, granite countertops in both the kitchen and bathrooms, stainless steel appliances, and 4 bedrooms. There is room for your toys or RV, and it's all within 20 minutes to the harbor, rivers, lakes, national/state forests, as well as all your needed amenities. Please contact your realtor or feel free to give us a call with questions.